Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In my today's video, I'll be giving you the demo of how can we format the value axis in a line chart. So let's get started. For formatting the value axis in a line chart, we'll first of all go to the edit menu of the chart and we'll go to formatting and we'll go to value axis, and in value axis we'll go to value properties. And if you want to see the value on the value axis in a logarithmic pattern, we can enable the logarithmic pattern and you'll be able to see it in a logarithmic pattern like this: 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. Then we can also sort it as minimum and maximum value property, like you can give a minimum value which will appear over here starting from here, and then you can give a maximum value which will appear over here. Then if you enable the cursor tooltip, you'll be able to see that whenever I'm hovering over any value, you'll be able to see the value. You'll be able to see the value. The number format. Now number format is, if I enable this option, you will be able to see the number on the value axis in a particular format which you will have to put over here. So once you put that format over here, you'll be able to see the number on the value axis in that particular format. Then the value labels, if you enable the labels, then you can adjust the label distance, that is the distance between two labels. You can increase or decrease. Then you can also adjust the position of the label. If you want to keep it inside, you can enable it. If you want the position right, you can enable it. If you want it inverse, you can enable it. Then we have the value font property. You can change the color as per your own requirement, that is the font of the value. You can give a particular color as per your own. Like if I'm giving this color, light color, you'll be able to see that the font color has changed now, and I would like to keep it black. It has become black now. Then the font size you can increase or decrease. Then the font family you can accordingly choose. Then font weight, you can make it normal, bold, bolder, lighter. Then the opacity also you can adjust accordingly. Then the value ticks. Now these are the ticks on which the value is there. So now the ticks, you can increase or decrease the length. You can increase and decrease the width. You can change the color. You can adjust the opacity. Then the value alternate fills. If you want to enable the fills, you'll be able to see once I have enabled the fills have appeared over here. And you can also adjust the color, the opacity of the fills. Then we have the value line. Now this line is the value line. The changes to this line you can also make over here. You can change, you can decrease or increase the width. You can change the color and the opacity. Then value grid. Now if you want to enable the grid, you'll be able to see a grid appearing in the chart, and you can also make necessary changes to the grid by changing the color, adjusting the opacity, and reducing or increasing the width. Then you have value title. Now if you enable the value title, you'll be able to see this title value axis will appear over here, and you can also make the necessary changes to this title by choosing the font family, increasing or decreasing the font size, choosing the font weight and the color, and save and exit. So this is how we can format the value axis in a line chart. Hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, you can write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website. That's www.aivhub.com. Thank you.